This is me, my doggy Scratch. Go. Hi, Julie. Hi. Hi, Mom. Hello, Mom. Mom. Hello. Hello. Boo!
Don't get in front of it.
Boo!
Jamie. Jamie.
Tracy.
You guys thought I was a bad shot, didn't you?
Let me see.
I'm the best
Hello,
shot.
Julie.
Stand back.
Mom!
Taking all these pictures, huh?
Hello, Mom. How come you guys are afraid of this?
Ugh.
Was that a good
put
shot?
it
Watch
down.
the shit. You step in the shit. Was that a good shot? Where'd I hit him? Where'd I hit him?
In his mouth.
I hit him in the neck.
Hello, Mom. That's a dog. Boo!
Turn the TV off.
Ah?
Okay, here, Jamie. Get the key. I put it on Jared's dresser.
No, Mom. I'm going. I have to get
You're not going across the street. I'll be right back.
See, needs the key. Ski.
No, what are you doing with it? Don't leave the house alone. I'll be right back. There. Now. There.
Mom, I have to give them.
See if it'll adjust to the light. I like this camera so much because I'm so clear.
Oh, what is that, Julie?
I got a gift.
Oh, where did you get that?
It's a gift.
That's a way. That's a, when did you get it? You
I got it yesterday.
That's light, is it, Julie? Oh,
Yeah, there is. It adjusts to its own lighting.
Oh, it does?
This you should see this. It's got a beautiful case.
Let me see.
Did your mother
Take a
cheese?
picture of me. Take a picture of me in my bathing suit.
And you hear everything so clear.
You're not gonna take a picture of anybody eating, but
Give me that picture, Mom.
Okay, open mouths. Ah.
So you want to see how you're gonna look at
What is that thing moving around?
It's just adjusting to the
All right,
light.
Jamie, outside with the kids, honey.
This one is so nice.
Is it heavy, Julie?
No, it's very light. Here, you
Can I
can
use it?
Yeah. There.
You put it on yesterday, as a matter of fact. It was,
Does it come out in color or is it?
Yeah, it comes out in color. Beautiful,
Like I don't know.
clear picture. I mean, I was shocked how
She
beautiful.
looks black and white.
I know, it's black and white in
Put
there.
up TV with?
I used to see. I went yesterday, and all the kids, you know.
Where?
I like it.
That's neat.
At the backyard yesterday, I was saying, that's neat. Oh, it's a beautiful picture. It's on sale. I saw the paper today. It's on sale for $1,100.
well, David bought one, now. Marcia wouldn't let him buy one when he first got married. He said, but now, maybe because of the twins, she let him, he said he don't know what kind.
Anyway, you should see, because that's so pretty. And I got new tires for my car.
Yeah. And one gray hair. Was it moving? Was that?
No, wait,
Yeah.
when you go,
You turn it off.
no, turn it
Turn
up,
it off.
Julie.
Turn it off for a second.
You want to take that thing off.